Hi! What's that? Is that a bear? Oh, it kind of looks like it with those claws.
It's a polar bear.
Oh, it's a polar bear.
It's a polar Jonah.
You're not cold?
No, I just got out of the shower. Core temperature. I took a hot shower. I spent the whole day cold, so I warm up in the shower. I was burr all day.
Burr.
Burr.
Can
you say burr? Say burr.
Burr.
Burr, rah, rah.
Burr. I see a Bryn.
Just kidding, World. I'm not cutting baby photos. That's just how we get them to 6:30.
It is Wednesday and it is a little burr on the outside. Getting ready to make dinner. We've got a few errands done today. Can't really get much done when everything is so far away. But we did what we could, and yeah, I think we're going to do the pumpkin patch tomorrow evening. Hopefully it's not windy and not as chilly, but go pick some pumpkins because it's almost Halloween and Thanksgiving and fall is coming, and you know, for fall you need pumpkins. We need to find a cute place to put these poor pumpkins too, because right now they'd blow away. Oh, hi!
Hi, world. I love you, world.
We forgot Grandma. Grandma's still here, having fun, hanging out with us.
Hello.
Hopefully getting some more rest tonight.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's it. What you doing, cutie pie? Doing the dishes? Dishes? In the sink. Keep it in the sink. Good boy. We just had some pulled pork and pulled chicken, no, not pork, beef and chicken barbecue sandwiches from Trader Joe's. They were delicious. And some Asian slaw salad and a little bit of leftovers here and there. And everybody's full and ready to just chill out for the rest of the night. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just your average, you know, Wednesday night.
Good evening, everybody. Good night, I should say. It has been a very long day.
It's been a
I
great
enlisted
day,
this
though.
one to step in and
When you get honey from
Take
the
over.
honey man, it's been
Me?
a great day.
Oh,
Yes.
you.
Honey from the honey man.
They did all kinds of running around and stuff today, which you didn't get to see. Lily's like, you know, it'd be great if I could record, like on my phone or something, because then, you know, I could record when we're doing all kinds of stuff. I'm like, oh, honey, did you grab any video today? No.
I'm not in the habit yet.
It's okay. That's it. Day's over. Thank goodness. Girls, I love you tons,
Honey.
even though you're a pain in my rear sometimes. Mwah. World, see you tomorrow. Good night.
Night.
Oh my god, you almost knocked the phone down.
Oh, good night, world.
Say goodnight. Say goodnight. What do you got there? Do you have a light? Can they see it?
More importantly, you love honey.
He's such a punk. Good night.
Horn went beep. Engine purred. Friendliest sounds you ever heard. Little blue truck came down the road. Beep, said Blue to a big green toad. Toad said, croak, and winked an eye when Little Blue Truck went rolling by. That's the toad. Sheep. Sheep said, ah. Cow said, moo. Oink, said a piggy, and beep, said Blue. Cluck, said a chicken, and her chick said Peep. Ma, said a goat. Blue said, beep. Neigh, said a horse. Quack, said a duck. Beep, said the friendly little blue truck. Honk, yelled a dump truck. Coming through. I've big, important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way.
Beep, beep, beep.
Yes, yes. Vroom went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle and he started to swerve.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, he's swerving. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck and his big important wheels got stuck. Uh-oh. His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Honk, cried the dump, and he sounded scared. But nobody heard, or nobody cared. Then, into the mud, bump, 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 came the little blue truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Uh-oh. Help, 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 cried the little blue truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everybody heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everybody pushed the little blue truck. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up but the big green toad? All together, 1, 2, 3, one last push, and the trucks were free. Thanks, little brother, said the dump to the blue. You helped me and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on a helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue. Who wants a ride? Everyone scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, ba, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, ma. All jumped in. Beep, beep, beep. The end.
Show me the book and say cheese.
Cheese.
Guten Nighten.